We all rely on clean clothes, and behind the scenes, dry cleaners play a vital role in keeping us looking our best. It's a hands-on profession that combines customer service with specialist skills in fabric care and cleaning techniques. If you're practical, detail-oriented and enjoy working with people, then a career as a dry cleaner in the UK could be a surprisingly good fit. Let's explore this essential trade. First, let's talk about how you get the right skills and knowledge. For many starting out, the great news is that training often begins directly on the job. You'll learn from experienced dry cleaners, picking up the practical skills as you work. This hands-on experience is invaluable in this trade. While on-the-job training is common, many employers will also support you in gaining formal qualifications part-time. These qualifications can really boost your skills and career prospects. For example, you could pursue a Level 2 NVQ in laundry operations. This qualification demonstrates your competence in the practical aspects of laundry work, which is closely related to dry cleaning. And because customer interaction is so important, an NVQ in customer service, at levels 1-4, can also be very beneficial, helping you develop those essential communication and service skills. If you're looking to improve your retail skills generally, the award and diploma in retail skills, at levels 1-3, could also be useful additions to your CV. If you are based in Scotland, there's a fantastic option to consider: a modern apprenticeship in fashion and textiles heritage. Within this apprenticeship, you can choose the dry cleaning operations pathway, which provides structured training and leads to a recognised qualification specific to dry cleaning in Scotland. The Guild of Cleaners and Launderers, GCL, which we mentioned earlier, plays a key role in qualifications. Through their qualification star scheme, the GCL awards certificates in various specialist areas. You can take exams and gain certifications in areas like retail sales, stain removal, garment finishing, dry cleaning practice itself, and even wet cleaning techniques. In Scotland, modern apprenticeships equivalent to an NVQ Level 3 qualification are also available in laundry and dry cleaning, often assessed or recognised by the GCL. For those interested in working in specific sectors, like healthcare, the Society of Hospital Linen Service and Laundry Managers offers specialist training courses. These are particularly valuable if you aim to work in hospital or healthcare laundry services, covering crucial topics like laundry hygiene, infection control, the proper use of washing chemicals, and even energy conservation in laundry operations. Finally, a really important point to be aware of: if you intend to use solvents in your dry cleaning work, you must be registered and hold a permit. This is a legal requirement to ensure safe and responsible handling of these chemicals, so make sure your employer is compliant, or if you're running your own business, that you obtain the necessary registration and permits. Now let's talk about what does a dry cleaner actually do on a daily basis. It's a mix of hands-on work, customer interaction, and technical skills. The core task is, of course, dry cleaning garments and other items to a high standard. This involves identifying fabric types and care labels, pre-treating stains, operating dry cleaning machinery, and using various cleaning solvents and chemicals safely and effectively. You'll also be involved in wet cleaning items when appropriate, and using specialist stain removal techniques for different types of stains and fabrics. Garment finishing is a key skill, including ironing, pressing, steaming, and using specialist equipment to restore garments to their best condition. Quality control is essential, inspecting garments for cleanliness, damage, and ensuring they meet customer expectations. Customer service is a significant part of the role, involving taking in customer orders, advising customers on cleaning options, handling payments, and resolving customer queries or complaints. You'll also be involved in organizing and managing garments, keeping track of orders, and maintaining the cleanliness and efficiency of the dry cleaning premises and equipment. What do you think? Is a career as a dry cleaner a good fit for your personality and skills? Certain traits are particularly helpful in this profession. Firstly, practical skills and a hands-on approach are essential. This is a very hands-on job, requiring you to be comfortable working with machinery, chemicals, and garments. Attention to detail and a meticulous approach are crucial for achieving high cleaning standards and ensuring customer satisfaction. Good manual dexterity and physical stamina are helpful, as the work can involve standing for periods and handling garments. Customer service skills and a friendly, helpful attitude are vital, as you'll be interacting with customers daily. Problem-solving skills are useful for tackling challenging stains or garment care issues. Responsibility and trustworthiness are important, as you'll be handling customers' valuable clothing items. An interest in fabrics, clothing care and cleaning processes will naturally make the work more engaging and enjoyable. If you are a practical, detail-oriented person who enjoys working with your hands and providing good customer service, dry cleaning could be a good career choice. What are the typical working conditions for a dry cleaner in the UK? It's a mix of shop-based and sometimes industrial environments. Most dry cleaners work in dry cleaning shops or retail outlets which can be located on high streets, in shopping centres or as part of larger laundry and dry cleaning businesses. The environment is typically shop-based with a customer service area and a back area for cleaning and garment processing. In larger operations, you might work in a more industrial laundry or dry cleaning plant. Working hours are usually full-time, and can include weekends and some evenings, depending on the opening hours of the shop. Part-time opportunities may also be available. The work can be physically demanding, requiring standing, lifting and operating machinery. The environment can be warm and sometimes humid, especially in the pressing and finishing areas. You'll be working with cleaning solvents and chemicals, so adherence to safety procedures and wearing appropriate protective equipment is essential. Customer service can be busy and fast-paced, especially during peak hours or seasons. So, what are the career prospects in the dry cleaning industry? While it's not a rapidly expanding sector, there are opportunities for progression and stability. Career progression often involves moving from a dry cleaning assistant role to a more skilled dry cleaner or garment finisher position. With experience and potentially business skills, you can progress to dry cleaning supervisor or shop manager roles, overseeing the day-to-day operations of a dry cleaning outlet. Some dry cleaners choose to open their own dry cleaning businesses, becoming self-employed and running their own shops. Specialization is also possible, focusing on areas like leather and suede cleaning, wedding dress cleaning or specialist stain removal. Developing expertise in these niche areas can increase your value and earning potential. Continuous learning and staying updated with new cleaning techniques, fabrics and environmental regulations are important for career advancement. While it might not be a high-growth industry, the demand for dry cleaning services remains relatively stable, offering reliable employment for skilled professionals. The skills you gain as a dry cleaner are surprisingly transferable to other service-oriented and practical roles. Your customer service and retail skills are valuable in any customer-facing role in the retail or service sectors. Garment care and textile knowledge can be applied to roles in fashion retail, clothing alterations or costume and wardrobe departments in the entertainment industry. Cleaning and maintenance skills are transferable to roles in domestic cleaning services, commercial cleaning or facilities management. Machine operation and basic maintenance skills can be useful in other factory or production operative roles. If you develop business management skills, you could apply these to running other small service businesses or retail outlets. The core skills of customer service, attention to detail and practical hands-on work are valued across a range of sectors. Let's weigh the pros and cons of a career as a dry cleaner. The advantages include relatively easy entry, no mandatory degree or extensive qualifications are always required to start. Hands-on and practical work for those who prefer it over purely office-based roles. Opportunity to develop specialist skills in garment care and cleaning techniques. Job security, dry cleaning services are consistently needed. Potential to become self-employed and run your own business. And the satisfaction of providing a valuable service to customers and helping them look their best. The disadvantages include physically demanding work requiring standing and lifting. Exposure to cleaning solvents and chemicals requiring adherence to safety procedures. Working environment can be warm and sometimes noisy. Customer service can be demanding at times, dealing with customer queries and complaints. Pay may be relatively modest compared to some other skilled trades, especially at entry level. And the work might be perceived as routine or lacking in glamour by some, although it is an essential and skilled trade. Let's talk about the earning potential for dry cleaners in the UK. Salaries can vary depending on experience, skills, location and the type of dry cleaning business. Entry-level dry cleaning assistants or trainees might start around national minimum wage or slightly above, which translates to roughly £20,000 to £24,000 per year for full-time hours. With experience and training, skilled dry cleaners or garment finishers can earn £24,000 to £30,000 annually. Supervisors or shop managers in dry cleaning businesses can earn £28,000 to £38,000 plus per year, with London positions reaching £42,000 plus. Variable income for business owners between £35,000 to £70,000 plus, depending on location, clients and operational efficiency. Eco-friendly establishments often command premium pricing. Want to explore a career as a dry cleaner further? Here are some resources to help you learn more. The Guild of Cleaners and Launderers, GCL, website is the key resource for training, qualifications and industry information in the UK dry cleaning and laundry sector. If you're practical, detail-oriented and enjoy providing a valuable service to your community, then explore the resources mentioned and consider taking the first step into the world of dry cleaning. Find helpful links in the description below for resources, training and career advice to kickstart or grow your journey as a dry cleaner. Thanks for watching Career Chronicles UK. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and share to inspire others to find their dream careers too. See you in the next video.